How to turn on focus mode on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Focus. Here, you'll see several focus modes, such as Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, and Work. Tap the focus mode you'd like to use. Now, turn on the toggle at the top of the screen to enable it. You can also customize the focus mode by choosing which people and apps are allowed to send you notifications while it's active. If you'd like, tap Add Schedule to have the focus mode turn on automatically at certain times, locations, or when using specific apps. You can also quickly enable focus mode from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, tap Focus, then select the focus mode you want to use. And that's it. You've successfully turned on focus mode on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.